Hey everyone, welcome to the PD Knob channel. Have you noticed that every time you update a document, you have to upload it to NotebookLM all over again? It's frustrating and a complete waste of time. Stop doing this. I'll show you how to automatically sync your documents with NotebookLM. Let's get it set up. The core workflow is straightforward. Upload your file to Google Drive, import it from Google Drive into NotebookLM, and any future changes will sync automatically. Don't forget to subscribe for more NotebookLM tips. First, open your Google Drive. Make sure you're signed in with the same account you use for NotebookLM next. Upload your target files to Google Drive. Just drag and drop your documents directly into the Google Drive interface to finish uploading. Once done, you can see the uploaded file saved in your My Drive folder. Now let's connect this file to NotebookLM. Head over to NotebookLM. You can either create a brand new blank notebook or use any existing notebook you've already set up. After opening your notebook, locate the Upload Source panel. Here, the Drive option allows you to import files directly from your Google Drive. Simply click on it. You'll notice a system prompt below. This means any changes you make to the original Drive file will automatically update in NotebookLM. Select and import the file you just uploaded to Google Drive. Now, let's verify the autosync function works perfectly. In the Source panel, you'll find the AI-generated summary at the top. Scroll down and you'll see the full content of your document displayed below it. Any changes you make to the original file will appear here after syncing. Go back to your Google Drive and open the imported file. It will launch in Google Docs automatically. Let's make an edit to test the sync. I'll add a new sentence here, an AI note-taking app. All uppercase. Google Docs automatically saves every edit in real time. You can close the tab directly after making changes. Then return to your NotebookLM notebook. Refresh your source page and open the imported file. As you can see, the new uppercase sentence we just added has already appeared here. The latest version of NotebookLM fully supports real-time auto-sync with Google Drive file updates. This feature is extremely practical for research work, with frequently changing data, notes, and experimental records. Instead of deleting and re-uploading your sources every time you make a change, simply edit the original file in Google Drive. NotebookLM will automatically use the latest version, helping you keep your AI notebook up to date without any extra work. That's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.